kids, welcome back. I'm back with my second video of correct adjectives for the given noun. In the last video, children, we have learnt two methods by which we can change nouns into adjectives. In this video, we are going to learn four methods. That means we are going to see four new suffixes. When we add these suffixes to few of the nouns, we can convert them into adjectives. So let's begin our class with the third method. Okay, children? Breathe. Breathe is a noun. In these words, we are going to add ing and the word becomes breathing. But you should not get confused between these adjectives and the verbs which end in ing. They are the continuous form of verbs. Now let us practice with one more word, okay? Here comes your word, inquiry. Now this is a noun. So I'm going to add ing to this word and it becomes inquiring. But do you remember, whenever y comes at the end of a word that is a noun, we need to replace this with I. But over here, as we are adding ing to this word, we don't need to add one more I in place of Y. So the spelling remains as INQUIRING. Okay. So let's move and see the fourth method of changing a noun into adjective. Now the word is seen. I'm going to add to this word I see. Over here, you need to remember one more thing, that whenever E comes at the end of a word, E is a very shy vowel. It hides. So, the new word which is formed is written like this, SCENIC, scenic. Let us take one more example with such suffix. Artist. It is a noun. So, when I am going to add IC to this, the word becomes artistic. And this is an adjective. Now let us see the fifth method of changing a noun into an adjective. The word is dust. So, I am going to add only Y to these words. And the new word which will be formed is dusty, which is an adjective. One more example, children, okay? Here it comes. Craze, CRAZE. This is a noun. Do you remember, children, how E behaves when it comes at the end of a word? It is very shy, so it hides itself. So, the new word will be written as this, CRAZY, crazy. Okay. Let us see the sixth and the last method of changing nouns into adjective. The next word which we are going to take is book, which is a noun. We are going to add to this word ISH. So the new word formed is bookish, which is an adjective. Let us do one more practice. The word is child. Here we are going to add the suffix ish. So the new word which is formed after adding ish is childish, which is an adjective. Now children, when we have learnt all the 6 methods of changing a noun into an adjective, let's get started and do some practice. So, you are going to choose one of the correct adjective form of the given nouns. Let us see. The first noun is oil. Let us see the options given to us. They are oilic, oily or oilious. What do you think, children? Which adjective is correct? Very good. It's oily. We just need to add y to this word to make it an adjective. Let us see our second question, children. So, our second noun given to us is disaster. And the words, adjective words are disastrous, disastric and disastrous. What do you think? Which is the correct one? Yes, disastrous is the correct adjective over here. Let's move further and look into the third question. Noun given to us is economy. And the adjective words are economish, economic and economous. Good. It's economic. Now, here comes our last word, Spain. Do you know, children, why it is written in capital letter? Because it is a proper noun. So, the adjectives which we can form from Spain are Spanish, Spainly or Spainy. What do you think? Which one is correct? Spanish. Very good, children. So children, today we have learned 6 methods of changing nouns into adjectives. There is no such rule to remember to which word we are going to add which suffix. It depends on our vocabulary. So keep on practicing, and once you practice it daily, you will come to know how the nouns are changed into adjectives. So till then children, bye-bye and keep learning.